Last week, I made a video showing you guys exactly how to buy Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency using Binance P2P. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to sell Dogecoin or in this case, any other cryptocurrency using Binance P2P. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing we want to do is go over to our spot wallet. So what you do is come over to wallet and spot. And then you can see I already have Dogecoin from the purchase I made last week. Click on Doge and you can see 33 Doge currently worth approximately $10.23, right? So now I need to be able to convert this back to USDT because like I said last week, there are only a few cryptocurrencies that are available using Binance P2P. So if you want to be able to sell your Doge or any other cryptocurrency that is not available using Binance P2P, you have to convert or you have to sell it to that other cryptocurrency that is presently available using Binance P2P. So in this case, I want to sell my Doge back to USDT. Okay, so I want to sell my Doge to buy USDT. Okay, so we can see that we have this go to trade option over here. So basically what this means is that it's showing you the value of Doge when compared to these other cryptos over here, right? That's not important. What is actually very important is you have to look at the one you would like to change your Doge to. All right, so let's say I wanted to change my Doge to Bitcoin. What do? I click on Doge/BTC. Okay, I click on Doge/BTC and then it brings me over here. Now if you remember, this spot was exactly where we were the last time that enabled me to buy the Doge in the first place, right? I don't want to convert it to BTC, I want to convert it to Tether, right? So I'm just going to go back, so which means I'm going to click on Doge/USDT. As you can see, we are in Doge/USDT. So now that we are here, we can proceed to sell our Doge. Another way to get here would be coming over to trades from your home screen. Of course, you can come over to trade, click on trades, and then you'll be back over here. Basically, those are the two ways for you to be able to get here. So don't get it confused, guys. And doing it directly from your wallet is more of a shortcut to get here as well. If, for example, what you want to change your Doge to is not available like in the shortcut, in this case, is not available over here, you can just come over to the trades again and then click on this spot right here like the way I showed you guys last week, and then type in Doge against what you would like to change it to. But right now, this is everything currently available on Binance. Alright, so what are we trying to do right now? We are trying to sell our Doge, right? And we're trying to sell it back to USDT. So what do? We click on sell and then you click on this option over here that says limit, and then you put it to market. So you're trying to sell at the current market price. I'm trying to sell every single Doge that I have. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and put 100% over here, which is now totaling the Doge to 33 Doge. If I wanted to sell 75% of that, like I said last week, click on 75%. It automatically calculates that and gives me the amount that I want to sell. I don't need to go over this, I already covered it in last week's video. So I click on 100% and then I'm just going to click on sell Doge. And now I go over to my wallet. Okay, and as you can see, we now have our USDT back, which means now we can now sell it on Binance P2P. Okay, so if I click on this right now, you can see here is my Tether, everything is right here. What we do next now is come over here, we click on P2P over here, and then we click on transfer. We are trying to transfer between our accounts, so I'm just going to click on transfer over here, and then I'm trying to transfer from my spot to P2P wallet. So I'm going to click on this shuffle to be able to shuffle it, so it's transferring from my spot over to P2P. So you see, from spot to P2P. Alright, so come over here, it's Tether that I have, in this case USDT. Click on that. You can see our available balance is $10.50, right? I'm just going to click on max because I want to sell every single thing, and then I'm going to click on transfer. So it's going to transfer right now from my spot to P2P, and then click on P2P trading. Now we are over here. Okay, so I want to sell my Tether right now, and then I'm just going to click on sell. Now I have made a video on exactly how to identify scammers and exactly how to find somebody who is trustworthy to sell your crypto to. And if you've not watched those videos, I'm going to have them in the description below, so you can just go ahead and watch them. So I'm going to follow that same rule in selling my crypto right now. Okay, so we've met somebody that has met our requirements. So this person has at least by the looks of it, the person has met our requirements. The person has 92.7% completion rate. The limit is actually met because remember, I'm trying to just sell $10, right? And $10 is maximally maybe around 5,000, 6,000 naira. You don't want to be selling, you don't want somebody's limit that is starting from 50,000 naira all the way to 47 million naira. Okay, this person is not going to buy my crypto. Is this person's one that starts from 1,050 naira all the way to 5,000 naira that is probably going to buy my crypto? Okay, so I want to see this person's rating to see if I'm going to proceed to buy from this person. So I can click on sell and then come over to the person's nickname, and then I go over to their positive feedback to see if I'm going to buy anything from this person. Okay, so this person has a lot of negative. I may not necessarily want to trade with this person, but let me see the reason why people are negatively rating this guy. So the problem here now is that he basically sends you 100 naira less on the money that he's sending you. So basically this person is more or less like cheating people by debiting them 100 naira and saying it's for bank charges. I think I made an example of this the last time too, that I made a video about this. So now this is the thing, right? Whenever it comes to people like this, it's up to you now. It depends on how much that you're expecting the person to send to you. Okay, it depends on that. So if for example you're receiving, let's say 100,000 naira or 1 million naira or even 50,000 naira, a 100 naira charge, yeah, you may not, depending on who the kind of person you are, a 100 naira charge, it may not really be a big deal to you, because for this person now, clearly what his problem is that he is not sending the complete money and debiting 100 naira. But none of these comments says that he doesn't make payments, right? So the only thing that they're just saying here is that he removes 100 naira from the trade, right? Let me say this, for me, I would normally not trade with this kind of person, but because I'm showing you guys an example and this is the only problem that he has so far, is that he removes 100 naira, you know, I really don't care much about that. I will still sell to this guy just to show you guys exactly how to do the procedure of selling your crypto. Just gonna come back over here. Okay, so you can see that we have a balance of $10.50 USDT, right? And then when I click on all, it gives us $10.12, and we have a balance of $10.50 USDT. So why is it not putting in the $10.50 USDT? The reason why it's not putting in the $10.50 USDT is because of this person's limit. This person is only willing to buy 1,050 naira all up to 5,000 naira, and for the whole $10.50 USDT is going to be more than 5,000 naira. That is why this figure $10.12 USDT is what is being imputed here. Let's say this person had a limit of maybe 1,050 naira all the way to 6,000 naira, then probably the $10.50, most likely the $10.50 USDT would be debited from me. But because I'm showing you guys an example, I really don't mind. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on select payment method where the person is going to pay me to. I select my bank. So now I've selected my bank, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on sell USDT. And one thing before I click on sell USDT, I want you to know that when you scroll down, you can see if the person has terms. And as you can see, this guy has his terms over here, and he states clearly where he says I charge 100 naira transaction. Those people who are not reading him well probably didn't read the terms. So it's always good to scroll down before you click on sell to read the person's terms if they have a term. And if you don't agree to it, you can move on. But if you agree to it, you know, you can go ahead and sell. But so that I'll not waste any more time, I'm just going to click on sell USDT. So as you can see, this is the amount that I'm supposed to receive from this person. But you know, the person said they charge 100 naira. So you know, I really don't mind. It's just an example. But normally I would not sell for this small amount, 5,000 naira, for them to remove a charge of 100 naira from me. I would rather look for someone else. But you know, like I said, it's an example. And we have the countdown time over here. We can see the price over here. We can see the quantity, $10. This is the option to call the person if you want to call the person. This is the message over here. So you can see the person has already left a message for us. We can click on it to see what the message says. They are still stating their terms. Okay, so you can see the person has already marked the status as paid. And if I should quickly go back over here, if you remember, these parts were not showing. This part where we have the appeal and confirm receipts, they were not showing because the person had not marked it as paid. I'm just going to check my bank account to see if the money is already in. Okay, so the person has sent me the money, but let's say the person had not made the payment. You can click on appeal. When you click on appeal, it's gonna show you to chat now or phone the person to make sure that the payment has been made. If you've done any of these two things and then the person has not still made payments, then you can proceed to click on appeal and follow the instruction. Okay, now I have clicked on appeal. So you will upload the reason why. Let's say you did not receive payment. Click on you did not receive payment, put in your description, and then you see where they say upload proof. You take a screenshot of your internet banking to prove that you've not received the money, and then you upload it by clicking on plus, right? This will now open your gallery, put your information there, and then you will now click on file and appeal. That is all you need to do. Then the person will now be notified that you have filed an appeal. Most of the time, when people see that you've already filed an appeal, they'll quickly rush to make the payments, because if they don't make the payment and you filed an appeal, Binance will now have to step in and then reprimand them. Obviously, release your crypto to you and reprimand them. So in this case, since I've made the payment, or since the person has made the payment, I'm just going to click on confirm receipt. All right, so I click on confirm receipt, and then it's basically, telling me to confirm that this person has made the payment. I should make sure the person has made the payment, which I have checked my bank account. The money is already there. I click on I confirm and then click on confirm. All right, so that's it. The payment has been made. The person actually ended up sending me 4,899 naira. So it's what it is, right? Anyways, so that's it. That's exactly how to sell your crypto from Doge, from Cardano, from whatever it is, right? And sell it using Binance P2P. This was a successful transaction. Even though it was 100 naira less, it's done already. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with those people who you think would be interested in watching something like this. And if there's something that you didn't understand or that I didn't make clear in the video, please leave it in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in seeing any of those other videos that I talk about, they are going to be in the description below or at the top right corner of your screen. You can go ahead and watch them. For more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell right next to it. I release new videos every week and you'll be the first to be notified when that happens. And if you would like to support this channel through Bitcoin or any other means, ways to that are going to be on your screen and also in the description below. So I thank you very much for that, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.